If you've ever struggled to find the right nail gun for tough jobs, you're in the right place. Today we're counting down 5 of the best nail guns for concrete, steel, and wood, from the weakest to the absolute powerhouse. At number 5, we have the Shineeshi Mini Steel Nail Gun. This one's a compact, portable tool that's all about simplicity and convenience. It's designed for small DIY jobs or quick fixes, where you don't want to drag around cords or compressors. The Shineeshi features a purely manual design, which means no electricity, no air pressure, and no powder cartridges. Just you and the tool. It's lightweight, easy to control, and with 4 adjustable power levels, it's surprisingly versatile for its size. Perfect if you're fastening into wood, drywall, or even thin sheet metal. However, it's important to know its limits. The Shineeshi isn't built for heavy-duty construction or thick concrete. It lacks professional certifications, and while its adjustability is handy, it just doesn't deliver the impact of a true powder-actuated tool. This one's best for homeowners, DIYers, or anyone looking for a quick, no-fuss option for light-duty work. It's a solid entry-level pick to get you started, and remember, links to all the products at the best prices are in the description below. Next up at number 4 is the EXCECAR Concrete Nail Gun Kit. This model feels like a step up from the Shineeshi. It's more solidly built and gives you 5 adjustable power levels to work with, offering better control when switching between wood, concrete, or steel. The EXCECAR kit stands out because it includes not just nails, but safety gear too: gloves, goggles, and even ear protection. It's designed for convenience so you can get to work right out of the box. The tool itself is ergonomic and well-balanced for handheld use. Now, while EXCECAR does outplatform the Shineeshi in power and included accessories, it still falls short of professional-grade standards. It's not certified for powder-actuated use, and its penetration claims, though decent, are modest compared to contractor-level tools. If you want something more capable for home renovation or small construction work, this is a nice practical middle ground. And if you're enjoying this countdown so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth tool reviews. Taking the spot is the Fediman FEV-003. This one looks and feels more serious. With its heavier frame and large 300 nail kit, it's built for longer work sessions without having to constantly reload. The FEV-003 offers the same 5-speed adjustment as the EXCECAR, but delivers more force thanks to its extra weight and stronger internal components. It's marketed to handle everything from wood to thin steel and light concrete, which makes it versatile for home and workshop projects alike. The downside here is that weight. It's the heaviest manual gun on the list. That means more fatigue during long use. And like others before it, it lacks formal certification, so it's not meant for industrial construction. Still, the Fediman makes sense for anyone who needs more power than entry-level manual guns, without jumping to a full-on powder-actuated tool. It's a solid pick for heavy DIY or small-scale professional repair work. In second place, the DLronwey pushes manual nail guns to their limit. It's one of the most powerful hand-operated modes available, with a claimability to pierce up to 5mm of steel. That's impressive for a non-powdered design. What really sets it apart is the 5-speed adjustable system and the included kit. You get both standard and threaded nails, plus gloves, goggles, and earplugs. It's clearly built for versatility, equally at home tackling wood frames or fastening lighter steel panels. But as good as it is, DLronwey still isn't a true powder-actuated tool. It delivers high mechanical force but can't match the precision or impact of professional systems. It's ideal for light contractor work, but not for heavy structural anchoring. If you're serious about DIY or small business operators who need maximum power without dealing into powder cartridges, this one's a fantastic choice. And finally, taking the top spot, the BluePoint BP37S. This is the real deal. A professional-grade low-velocity power-actuated tool that uses .22 caliber cartridges for serious power and precision. This BluePoint is engineered for both commercial and residential use. The automatic cartridge ejection speeds up workflow, and the rubber cushion grip keeps you comfortable through long hours of fastening. With full OSA and ANSI certification, it's built not just for performance, but safety and reliability too. Compared to the manual guns, this one is in another league. There's no hand fatigue, no repetitive strain, just raw, consistent impact that drives fasteners into steel or concrete with ease. The only trade-off is that you'll need proper power loads and a bit of training to use it safely. If you're a contractor or professional installer, this is the one to go for. It's powerful, efficient, and compliant with all safety standards. Easily the best in this lineup. So there you have it. From simple manual guns to a professional powder-actuated powerhouse, we've covered them all. You can find links to every product featured today right below this video. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tool reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next one.